Hello guys, today we'll talk about the most important hook in React. The name of that hook is useEffect hook. If you are a React programmer, then you must have used this hook in your day-to-day life. So now let's cover the first three cases as you can see on my screen. In first case, there is a dependency array, but there is no dependency in it. In this case, this useEffect hook will be called when the component mounts. So now let's cover the second case. In second case, there is no dependency array and there is no dependency as well. So this use effect hook will be called when the component mounts or when there is any state or prop changes. Technically, when there is any component changes, then this use effect hook will be called. Now let's cover the third use effect hook. This use effect hook will be called when the component mounts or when there is any change in dependency. Here dependency is count. So let's say if there is any change in count from 1 to 2 or 2 to 3, then this use effect hook will be called. As you can see that in all those three use effect hook, each of them has been called when the component mounts. If you want to know what is component mounting, don't forget to watch my previous videos. Let me know if you have any question and don't forget to like, subscribe or comment on my channel.